Today at Hello Annie, I'm going to show you how to make a homemade cherry pie filling. This is not just perfect for pie. Try a spoonful with your morning yogurt and granola for a delicious treat. It also makes a great topping for your pancakes and waffles. Let's go! First things first, wash and pit your cherries. That part takes the longest, but this cherry pitting tool will make this job much easier. Oops, that wasn't supposed to go in there. Right, let's try this again. Try to catch the pit and place it on a napkin. So I got about 3 pounds of fresh sour cherries, and let's cook them. In a large saucepan over medium heat, combine the pitted cherries with all the juices. You add sugar, water, some lemon juice, and cornstarch. Stir in the cornstarch and keep on stirring until you don't see any lumps anymore. You want to bring this to a boil, then lower the heat to medium-low and stirring frequently for about 10 to 15 minutes. At this point, if using, you can use vanilla extract, just a little touch of it. It should have the consistency of a light fruit glaze, just like that. If your seam's a little thicker, then please add another quarter cup of water to thin it out. Our cherry pie filling is done. Cool slightly before filling your pie or store in an airtight glass container. They last in the refrigerator up to 1 week, or you can freeze it for up to 2 months. Enjoy!